Is your Galaxy S26 too loud, too quiet, or just not sounding right for you? Maybe notifications are annoying or calls aren't loud enough to hear. Here's the thing. Your phone actually has a lot of hidden sound settings that most people never touch. And once you customize them properly, your entire experience becomes way better. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to adjust your Galaxy S26 sound settings based on your personal preference. To get started, let's open the sound settings. Swipe up from your home screen, then tap the Settings app. Scroll down, then tap Sounds and Vibration. At the top, you'll see three options: Sound, Vibrate, and Mute. For this guide, we'll tackle and manage sound settings, so make sure sound is selected so your phone can play ringtones and notifications. Now let's go ahead and customize your ringtone and alerts. Let's start with your ringtone. Tap Ringtone. You'll see a list of available tones. Tap any ringtone to preview it instantly, then select the one you like. If you want something more personal, tap the plus icon at the top. Browse your files, select your audio, then tap Done. You can also adjust the ringtone volume using the slider at the bottom. Now go back, then tap Notification Sound. Choose a tone the same way, and adjust the volume slider to your preference. Here's a quick tip. Pick a notification sound that's noticeable but not distracting, especially if you get a lot of alerts daily. If your phone still doesn't feel right after this next setting is what most people miss. Adjust system sounds and feedback. From the main menu, tap System Sound. Tap System Sound Theme, then choose between Galaxy, Calm, Fun, or Retro. This changes how your phone sounds when you tap, charge, lock the screen, and more. Go back and toggle settings like touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging sound, screen lock and unlock. Turn off anything you don't want to hear to reduce noise. Let's fine-tune the volume controls. Go back, then tap Volume. Here's where you control everything: ringtone, media, notifications, system, alarm, AI assistant. Drag each slider left or right to match your preference. Make sure to turn on Use Volume buttons for media so your volume buttons control videos and music. Tap the three-dot icon at the top, then select Media Volume Limit. Turn it on to protect your hearing, especially when using headphones. You can set your own volume limit using the slider. Now let's customize vibration settings. Go back, then tap Call Vibration. Pick a vibration pattern or select Silent if you don't want vibration. Next, tap Notification Vibration. Then choose your preferred style and adjust intensity. Tap System Vibration to control feedback for touches and typing. Then go back and tap Vibration Intensity. Adjust sliders for calls, notifications, system, media. Set them based on how strong or subtle you want the vibrations. Want your phone to actually sound better, not just louder? This next part is the real upgrade. Follow these steps to improve sound quality and audio experience. Tap Sound Quality and Effects. Turn on Dolby Atmos for a richer, more immersive sound. Try modes like movie, music, or voice depending on what you're listening to. Tap Equalizer and adjust frequencies manually or leave it balanced. Turn on Loudness Normalization to keep audio levels consistent. Want to use smart audio features? Tap Adapt Sound. This adjusts audio based on your hearing profile. Choose your age group or create a personalized sound profile using headphones for the best results. Here's the final tip before you go. Take a minute to test your settings after adjusting everything. Play music, receive a test notification, and check call volume. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in your daily experience. And that's how you fully customize sound settings on your Galaxy S26. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Samsung tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.